Nagulat ako. Iba yung ano sa ano nag-love gigs. Nagulat ako. Iba yung ano sa ano nag-love gigs.
Boss rich then. Welcome to my kingdom, shout my name. Boss rich, D-O-N. Boss rich, D-O-N. Boss rich, D-O-N. Welcome to my kingdom, shout my name. Boss rich, D-O-N.
Yan guys, no. Yan guys, no. Yung gloves na po yan ay gamit po. Pinatumba si Sulani Tete.
Tama lang pala yung 3 million.
Oo. Ano yan, memorable talaga yan.
Oo.
Sining kalaban mo.
Tago-tago.
Sulani Tete. Sulani Tete.
Oh, kahit pipi lang.
Casimiro versus Solante.
Ayan, oh, yan. Yun ang kinakatakutan dati.
Highlight yan eh. Doon sa ano.
Yung pinakamagaling.
Highlight yan eh.
Sikas. Tinatulog yung kalaban.
Yan.
Sikas lang. Nano siya.
Ayan nga, ayan nga yung gloves, oh.
Ayan yung gloves oh.
Oh, yan, oh. May pula.
Ayan oh. Kaya pala tama pala yung 3 million.
Well, we know that
Ilang round
Ayan.
to?
Ayan guys, pinapanood po namin, no.
technical boxer and
Ito po yung gloves na ginamit.
power, but he's
Ito
not
yung
been
kalaban niya.
Kay Sulani Tete. Yan.
competitive
Tapos,
since October
ito daw yung may
last year.
record ng ano,
Yung sikas.
7 seconds, pinatulog yung kalaban.
Nasa ano yan eh. Sa Genesis of
Guinness of record. Guinness of record.
By stoppage,
Ayan, oh, yan, oh. Ayan nga, yan ang katibayan.
most definitely
Mali
he
ay
and Big he can defeat
Hindi kasi
the
ako
brilliant
nag-
South African.
Marami kasi yung club sa kwarto.
Well, the obvious tactic is to get inside that beautiful long jab there of Tete. Which is achievable. The problem is that you have
Yan
that
sapatos din nasa kanya.
Sapatos niya na sa akin.
See that how effective that could be.
Saka ano yan,
Yung short nasa kaibigan ko.
nakakuha rin siya sa akin eh. Nakakuha rin din.
Right through the middle.
Tete had one win, which
Ano
gave him
magandang
11 seconds,
ng
the quickest
acrylic,
ever in a world
Acrylic.
title fight.
Oo.
So, I suspect that might never be broken. Casimiro, who'll be known to British fans as the man who stopped Charlie Edwards in September 3 years ago in an IBF flyweight title defence. He won this interim title in February against Ricardo Espinosa and then defended it in
Tagad yan.
British.
He's got him with the butt now. He's getting hits. He's got him with a body shot. Was it? And he's in trouble. He's in real trouble. Tete's in a lot of
Naduling eh. oh.
and the way he wants to look at him. He's allowing it to continue. But can Casimiro take him out here? It happened so quickly.
Yung pustahan niya, 70,
He's
70,
still
30.
got a long way to
Arte na
go
ako.
in this round. There's
Parang sa kanya nakakalo.
Tete still looks unsteady. He's got to buy some time here and make Casimiro miss. Casimiro needs to pick his punches and he can't find the shot. He falls down. Tete. I don't think there was a punch which put him down. He just collapsed to the canvas.
He's not recovered from the first knockdown. He's not recovered from the first knockdown. I'm sure of it.
Pinakasikat yan sa ano, sa US.
British.
Casimiro wants to finish it right here, right now. And finish it he has. The title changes hands in sensational fashion. Sulani Tete.
Ayun na.
Ayan ang gloves.
Sa'yo, 3 million.
A defeat which
Hindi ko naalala yung
not
gloves
to
eh.
expect of no
Dami.
Ito na.
Dami.
Wala.
Hindi na makakatras kayo, may pirma na.
Hindi na mapapawi. Hindi na kaya pawin.
Yung paglabas ko, buha agad ako ng ano, vlog.
It's Tete sort of flush on the chin.
Ano ko pa naman buuhin yan?
And I was thinking,
Dali ko sa tuyo.
caught him on the
Buuhin ko. Tapos diba, nabigay na, bilhin ko yung shirt. Tapos yung fighting shirt, bilhin ko.
Such a quick short shot.
Wala na.
The attack there, and we said, okay,
Yeah,
Tete is,
yung dami
he
niya.
waits for you to make the mistake, waits for you to
Yan yung naging 3 times. Ano siya, world champion.
Ito nga na to.
Oh, yung belt.
Mga 3 times world champion siya. Dito, sa laban na to. Ang ilan na ba kayo?
More, maybe 2 minutes now.
Four pa.
Punch was landed and suddenly
Isa laban
just
ulit.
now that Tete's got back to his feet. He was really, really badly stunned by this.
See, no, here's nothing's
Ayun oh. Ayun, sa gilid.
Look, he comes up really quick, but the first one did all the damage, and he was gone.
Right, no?
So you see
You can't see it there, but it was a great shot. He stepped around and the left foot's gone outside.
Gusto ko ma-isa eh.
Right on the temple, right shoulder, right so right on the temple. He does it again, does it up again, but the first one did all the damage.
He jumped in with a body shot, which initially I thought was what had done it.
Walang magkapaliwanag
And then he
ng
lands with two
matalo
right
yan eh.
hands to the side of the head.
And he's done that. Look at this now. There's nothing really clear and conclusive. He got caught on the top of the head
Paano
there.
ba nag-ano yung
technically.
laban niyo?
But he wasn't recovering from the
Paano
first one. You know, the referee could
Paano
have
kayo
stepped
bawa?
in after the first
Paano
one.
nagdidil yung laban nyo sa ganyan?
Unification siya. Siya yung
Ako yung number 1 dyan eh.
Number 1.
Ngayon,
Siya yung champion.
Tapos,
Pinakamagaling na kalaban mo to ginamit. Oo. Pinakamagaling na punta sa akin.
Yung na, nagulat ako. Iba yung ano sa ano nag-love gigs.
nakapunta ka ba doon sa kanuntok? Kanuntok?
Hindi sa bahay.
Nakapunta ka kanuntok doon? Nakapunta ka ba doon sa kanuntok? Kanuntok?
Hindi sa bahay.
Nakapunta ka kanuntok doon?
Nagpunta yun.
Sa bahay, sa bahay.
Hindi ka nakadampot.
Ha? Hindi na ako dumadampot.
Hindi ka nakadampot na mag-lap doon.
Sapatos. Sapatos ng tete.
Kahit mga tinapay meron tayo dyan.
Nakapunta ka ba doon sa kanuntok? Kanuntok?
Hindi sa bahay.
Nakapunta ka kanuntok doon?
Nagpunta yun.
Sa bahay, sa bahay.
Hindi ka nakadampot.
Ha? Hindi na ako dumadampot.
Hindi ka nakadampot na mag-lap doon.
Sapatos. Sapatos ng tete.
Kahit mga tinapay meron tayo dyan.